to me. No, my man, no. If you're fucking with this, you're fucking with this. If you're fucking with this, still your affair. Still your affair. If you're fucking with police, ESHADILE, still your affair. What are you doing? Umbizala, my man, listen, hey. Hey, wait. Sister, hello, listen to me. This is what, Mama, you say you're playing with me. You come and you write to me, you ask me to write to you.
Stop spending time with the wrong people. Life is too short to spend time with people who suck the happiness out of you. If someone wants you in their life, they'll make room for you. You shouldn't have to fight for a spot. Never ever insist yourself to someone who continuously overlooks your worth. And remember, it's not the people